A look through my window in week 11 of 2009. At least 10 people have been killed in a series of shootings across 2 towns in southern US state of Alabama. People in India and countries with large Hindu population celebrated Holi, the festival of colors, a welcoming of spring and a celebration of the triumph of good over evil. 15 people have been killed after a teenage gunman went on a rampage in southwest Germany. Most of the dead were pupils of a school in Winnenden, north of Stuttgart. A demonstrator in Bilbao, covered in red paint, protests against alleged military investments by the Spanish bank BBVA. Thousands of anti-government protesters fought battles with the police on the street of Lahore in Pakistan. Impressive pictures as a huge sandstorm approaches the Saudi capital of Riyadh. And Georgia's entry to the European Song Contest in Moscow has been ruled unacceptable by organizers because some of its lyrics are poking fun at Vladimir Putin. But before we see us next week, let's go to the movies.
I don't need you to take care of me anymore. It's not your job, it never was.
Are you still cleaning houses?
Actually, I own my own crime scene cleanup service. We come into people's lives when they have experienced something profound and sad, and we help.